snowboarders of the internet. I'm your host, Avran LeFeber, and this is Explained, the show where we break down the technology you use when you go snowboarding. In this episode, we're going to be talking about unibody construction, or one-piece construction for snowboard bindings. Unibody construction can best be summed up as one-piece construction. That's right, the whole chassis of the binding is just one piece, as opposed to this Rome black label over here, which is a two-piece construction, which has a base and then a heel cup that attaches to it. The main benefit with a unibody constructed binding is that you don't have multiple points where the binding will flex. That means that the binding moves all as one. With unibody bindings, you get a more uniform flex laterally and from toe to heel. Basically, when you're in that binding, it becomes part of the boot to board interface where it moves all as one. Whereas on a two-piece binding, you've got multiple areas where it's connected in the heel, in the toe, just areas where the screws can loosen up, or you can have possible fatigue and breaking points. I'm not saying that these bindings do, I'm saying that you could. It changes the flex of the binding. Do you need unibody construction? No, it's personal preference. I have ridden both. This has been Explained, and I've been your host, Avran LeFeber. Did you finally learn what unibody construction is? Good, because if you didn't, there's no hope for you and you're dead to me. If you're new here, remember to subscribe, click the bell, get those notifications. That way you're not missing any of the content we've got coming out for you snowboarders of the internet. And if you really want to support us, swing on over to Angry Snowboarder VIP. It's the best way to allow us to create the content that you know and love. I could tell you more here, but I've got a video over there. I'll see you in another video.